guys, Jeff here, and today it's time to try for Lockpicking Engineers Challenge. He has asked for us to pick a green belt level lock, and this is not for a giveaway or anything, this is just a challenge, but a green belt level lock, which I believe the Avis 7240 is. I should have double checked that. But he asked us to pick it one-handed. Now for me to pick it one-handed, what I like to do, I'm going to use the vise. I'm going to put this tensioner in here to get that out of the way. And I'm assuming if a vise is okay, other aids are okay. Now I do use my left hand to keep the vise from moving around. We'll use the number 3 from the Reaper sets. And I will say it's definitely fun using the tension aid like this, because you can really kind of watch to see how things are setting, see the counter rotation. Kind of like an 1100 though, I'm finding that I can't trust it. Alright, so we're in a false set, so we're looking for some counter rotation. Is that? While it is fun to have the visual, it is definitely different than just feeling the counter rotation in your hand. Here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Is that it? No, did I just lose everything I had? Yep, no. Oh, okay. That dropped down. It's still not open. I'm not sure what's keeping us from getting open. Let's try Jimmy Longs to get a longer hook in there. I know that this one has some high sets. Of course, it's put together well. The high sets, I think, usually have the spools. Huh. Nothing's talking to me. Interesting. Don't know what's happening. This lock isn't usually such a jerk. This is one of them I got from High Lock Sport. And it's become something of a comfort lock usually, which is why I thought about using it for this. Huh. Let's try resetting it then. Oh yeah, you can see we're in a false set because you see how much higher that is now. Okay, so you see starting to fall into a false set. I know there's further to go. Alright, so I managed to lose my full set. Ah, got it back. Reopen. Not quite. What should we try instead? We're going to go with the shorter hook from Jimmy Long's. Okay, back into the false set. Bouncing around in this one. You have to take a little weight off of it to get... There we go. There's the one-handed open. Now, keep it in frame, keep it in frame, keep it in frame. He asked for us to gut it so that way we can show that there's no funny business. Why would there be any funny business? It's only lock sports, but gotta keep people honest, right? Alright, screws out. There's that. Grab the gut tool. Gut tool. And we have a key. There's the key. So we don't want to mess things up. Clip off. What size do we want? Is it that one? That looks very nice. Let's go that way. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins in there. And I didn't show you the bit in before, but there's some pretty high ones in there. And we'll grab the tweezers just so we can see what's inside as well. Start at the front. With a standard. Oh, there's a spring. Spool in 2. Spool in 3. Apparently there's a spool in 4 that I tossed as well. To the back to find a spool in 6. And a spool in 5. Yes, fun spools all the way around, especially with that that bitting that we have. Again, when you're having to go up that high, you're definitely playing with the bitting, playing with those spools. So there we go. That is the one-handed challenge for Lockpicking Engineer. Check it out. Try it if you haven't done it already. And with that, I'll talk to you all later.